Brian, what do you think about that from an operational perspective?
Yeah, I also agree, Pat. I think it's all about having the right automation and integrations in
Yeah,
place to free up time for the people to truly connect with our customers. It just frees up a ton of time and resources.
yeah,
Improving the escrow management experience for homeowners is it's not really about removing people or throwing AI at random processes.
that's right.
Running a truly homeowner-centric escrow management service is all about giving the servicers the time and resource leverage to connect early and go deep into the specific instance with the borrower.
Absolutely. And are you finding in some of the folks that I have worked with, what I'm finding is that they are beginning to understand that that incoming call sometimes, instead of being answered by a machine, that if somebody is identified as someone who needs to speak to a tax authority within the servicing operation, mechanically, technologically, we have the capability as an industry to be able to do that and to help people in the customer care area when they are calling in for something rather specific. You all know, I'm sure, those of you who obviously are working in the servicing operations across our East Coast at this time, that right now, nothing is more frustrating than being able to wait online to talk to someone who is busy paying taxes in the back office. The reality is having an opportunity for an expert that they can speak to, or at least take their question and get it answered for them and call them back, is such a huge opportunity. And that's particularly what Brian and Io and Moyen and I are sort of on about as far as the technology that we get to work with every day. It's about that personal interaction that is important, as